Hey guys, my name is Brittany Carroll and I am your food crush. Today we're making stuffed peppers. It's healthy, it's delicious, it's easy, and I'm going to dive right into it. The first thing you want to do is preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Then you want to take your bell peppers and cut the top of the pepper off to take out the membrane and seeds. This way there's room for all of our filling. How cute! We want to bake these on 400 degrees for about 10 minutes so our peppers can be nice and soft for our filling. Onions. Saute this down until it's nice and translucent. We're gonna add 1 can of diced green chilies. This is what's gonna give our meat a lot of flavor. We're gonna add our ground beef. And you're gonna add some tomato paste to your filling. This is gonna make sure that the meat, first of all, doesn't dry out. It's also gonna add a nice, robust flavor. I'm gonna use some cumin, some paprika, and chili powder. I also added some ground California chili peppers too, for some nice heat. You want to take your wilted pepper, fill it with our tasty ground beef right to the top. Yeah, that's nice. Then you want to take your Mexican cheese, fill it all the way. Then you want to take the top of the pepper and place it right on top, just like our little hat. After you fill your peppers, you want to pop them back in the oven for about 20 minutes. Okay guys, it's time to plate up. We have our pepper. I'm gonna open that up and ooh, see all that melted goodness. Some fresh diced tomatoes and of course, avocado.